Looking for a fantastic salmon slider recipe for your next big party or even a kid's party? This is the recipe you want to look for. It's a rich and flavorful lightly smoked salmon slider that everyone is gonna love. And it's so easy to make. All you need is a food processor and some salmon from Mowi that has a hint of smoke. Now this salmon is ready to be cooked. However, their unique brine recipe is the combination of salt, cane sugar, and high quality dried spices that creates a perfect palate-rich brine. That means the salmon is already seasoned, it's already salty, so we don't have to add anything else to it. And remember, we have to cook it as well. So we're gonna first start off by removing the skin of the salmon. And that's as simple as pouring some hot water on the back of the salmon skin. And you'll see very easily this will remove the skin. Let's cut it into pieces and pop it into our food processor. To the food processor, we're gonna add some shallots, fresh ginger, capers, and I'm gonna go ahead and zest a little bit of lemon in there for some extra flavor. I like to add some sesame oil to this too. 1 egg. I'm gonna go ahead and process this, and these are ready to be made into salmon patties. Now you can make them into large patties to make the salmon burgers, but we're gonna do the small version so we can make sliders so the kids enjoy them a little bit more. Here we go. Perfect, these are ready to get grilled. Follow me. Perfectly grilled, flip on each side, and you'll find that these smoked salmon sliders are absolutely gorgeous and delicious. And for these sliders, we're gonna be using some brioche bun, but if you have other kind of Hawaiian style slider buns, that's fine too. Go ahead and cut it open. A little bit of lettuce, tomato, the salmon patty. Go ahead and add a toothpick on top and serve away. These are gonna be the most popular sliders you've ever made. And the best part is they'll have a nice hint of smoke right in there, and you know they'll be pretty healthy too, right? Enjoy.